Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today this tutorial will be about automated invoicing and payment reminders. So in this tutorial I will show you how to build a fully automated invoicing and payment reminder system with n8n. Agencies and freelancers spend countless hours sending invoices and chasing late payments. With this workflow everything runs on autopilot. You can package and sell this service to clients. So what you learn in this workflow: to automatically generate invoices in Google Docs or PDF format, save invoice data to Google Sheets for tracking, send invoices to customer via Gmail or Outlook, schedule payment reminders until the invoice is paid, and notify your finance team via Slack. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node. This purpose of the webhook node is to receive invoice request data. So here we will take the customer info, the invoice amount, the due date, and the invoice ID. Okay, after that, all this data need to be normalized to within a set node. This purpose of the set node is to prepare all required fields for invoice generation and reminder. So I told you the fields are invoice ID. Next is customer email. After that it's amount and the due date. That is the field that will be mapped out on the set node. Okay, after that we'll have the node the PDF. This purpose of the PDF Google Doc generator is to create the invoice automatically in PDF or Google Docs. Okay, after that we have the email send invoice. Purpose of this email node is to send invoice to the customer via Gmail or Outlook. So you have from email our company to email json.customer email, subject invoice, text dear customer please find attached your invoice. After that you will need a function that will calculate delay until the due date and schedule reminders. So this is the function due date new date json.due date, and we return the reminder date, that is the due date. Okay, after that we have the if node. If the payment is received, check if the payment has been completed. So if it's completed, we have the true branch. You see there the value JSON payment status equal to paid. So if it's completed, we'll go to Google Sheets branch, to Google Sheet node, and after that we'll notify the finance team. On the channel is the finance, and here we have the text payment received for invoice JSON point invoice ID from JSON customer email. And if it's not received, you'll go to the false branch, wait, retry email. So here on this node, the purpose of this node is to automatically send follow-up reminder until the payment is confirmed. I will also give you all the JSON file on my YouTube comment. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial also. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that because it helped me a lot. And thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you in next video. Bye bye.